Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have minus 4 to the power of n is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for the value of n. So here we just find the value of this n, and now in this question we solve this question by two methods. So here first we discuss our first method. So in first method, you see here we have this is minus 4 to the power of n, and here we focus in the left hand side, and we just rewrite its left hand side as 4 to the power of m into we have this is minus 1, and we write it as minus 1 to the power of n. So this is our n, so we write 4 to the power of n into minus 1 to the power of n, and this whole equals to 4. So now in the next step you just see here these are the terms in this form, and now we use the Euler's identity to solve this problem, and we know about the Euler's identity. So Euler's identity is stated as e to the power of iota pi plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is known as the Euler's identity. So here we just move this plus 1 to the right hand side, and it will be written as e to the power of iota pi is equals to minus 1. So that here we just use this value of minus 1, and we know that minus 1 equals to e to the power of iota pi. So we use this value here, and this equation will be written as in this form 4 to the power of n into minus 1. So our minus 1 is equals to e to the power of iota pi, and its whole power n is equals to 4. So here again we just combine the exponent of both of these two terms, and when we combine the exponent, it will be written as 4 times of e to the power of iota pi, and its whole power n is equals to 4. So now in order to find the value of n, here we need to take the log on both of the sides. So that here we just take the natural log on both of the sides, and it will be written in this form 4 to the power of e to the power of iota pi, and its whole power n equals to log of 4. So here we use the property of log, and we know that about this property of log, if you have log of a to the power of n, it is written as it will be written as n times of log of a. So in this property we just move this exponent in the front of this log. So here we first use this property, and after that we need another property of log, and this property is written in this form. If you have the product of two numbers inside the log, so it will be written as log of a plus log of b. So here in this question we need these two properties of log, which we use left hand side of the above equation. So our left hand side of above equation will be written as n times of log 4 into e to the power of iota pi is equals to log of 4. And now in the next step here we use the second property of log, and according to the second property of log we just separate the log on both of these terms, and it will be written as n times of log 4 plus log of e to the power of iota pi is equals to log of 4. So that here you again focus on this term, and here we use again the first property of log, this property, so that it will be written as n times of log 4 plus, here we move this exponent to the front of this log, and it will be written as iota pi into log e equals to log of 4. So here we have the value of log e is equals to 1. So this will be written as n times of log 4 plus iota pi is equals to log of 4. So here we move this whole term to the right hand side, and this is our final answer of this question, and we have n equals to log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus iota pi. So this is our final answer of this question by method number 1. And now we again solve this problem by method number 2. So in second method, here first we copy down the question statement, and it is minus 4 to the power of n equals to 4, and here we use this question, solve this question by second method. So here you again focus in the left hand side, and we have minus 4 to the power of n, and we will just write it as 4 multiplied by minus 1 and its whole power n equals to 4. So here we know that iota is equals to square root of minus 1. So this is the standard value of iota, and if we take the square on both of the sides of this term, so we get here iota square is equals to minus 1. So here we just substitute the value of minus 1 equals to iota square, so it will be written as 4 multiplied by iota square and its whole power n is equals to 4. So here we need to use the log on both of the sides, so that here we again take this log on both of the sides, and it will be written as log 4 into iota square equals to log of 4. So here we again use the property of log, and it will be written as in this form: log of 4 plus log of iota square is equals to log of 4. So here you have the exponent is n. So when we take log on both of the sides, so we use the property of log, and we move this exponent in the front of this log. So here you have this exponent, it is n, and you see here inside the log we have the product of two terms. So we again use the second property, and we just write this term in this way. So after that, here we again need little bit simplification, and we write it as n times of log 4 plus, here we again use the property of log, and we move this 2 inside the log, and we write it as 2 times of log iota is equals to log of 4. So here we move this whole term to the right hand side, and it will be written as n is equals to log of 4 divided by log of 4 plus 2 times of log iota. So this is the our final answer of this question by using the second method. And I hope so you will understand both of these two methods, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.